In this video, I'm going to give you my full review of the Samsung Galaxy Fold. I'm going to explain why I think this is the future of smartphones and mobile devices. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. What's up everyone, it's Jason here with Red Bee Labs and welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, we provide in-depth reviews and unboxings for all tech. First off, I have to say this is the coolest piece of tech I have used, period. While I'm out and using it, people are always coming up to me just to see it, and they are crazy amazed. I had one person who had never heard of it in disbelief and stated that he couldn't believe how far we've come and that this is definitely the future, which I had to agree with. The Samsung Galaxy Fold is what I have been looking for, a device that can be a true smartphone and a tablet all in one. I know. It's not the best position to be in, an early adopter, but I have really enjoyed this foldable. I know there were some screen and dust issues with the first go around, but Samsung seems to have owned the mistakes and fixed the issues, and I think this is a good attempt at a new form factor and a new market space. Before I get into my likes and dislikes, let's jump into the specs. Okay, the Samsung Galaxy Fold comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, 12 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage. Now, there's no micro SD storage slot, but with 512 gigabytes of storage, you should be okay. The screen is 4.6 inches folded and 7.3 inches unfolded. It has a 1680 by 720 resolution folded and a 2152 by 1536 resolution unfolded. Now, you get the usual USB-C and Bluetooth 5.0. It also has Wi-Fi 6 on it. The battery is 4,380 milliamps, and that's the LTE model, and 4,235 milliamps for the 5G model. It comes in at 263 grams or 9.28 ounces and is equipped with Android 9.0 Android Pie. Now the camera system. The Galaxy Fold comes with 6 cameras. On the back, you get a 16 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 12 megapixel wide angle camera, and a 12 megapixel telephoto camera. On the small smartphone screen size, you get a 10 megapixel selfie camera. And when you unfold, you get a 10 megapixel selfie camera and an 8 megapixel RGB depth camera. The camera system is amazing. If you have a Samsung Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus or Note 10, then you have these cameras already. But the photos it takes are amazing. Check out these samples. Now I'm going to discuss a few things I don't care for. The Galaxy Fold is an awesome tablet, but it kind of fails as a phone. With the front screen being so small and narrow aspect ratio, the keyboard is cramped and super hard to use. Also, sometimes your text or a view gets cut off. Apps on the smaller smartphone screen don't always transfer over to tablet mode well, and you have to restart the app. This is kind of annoying when you were actually working in the app and wanted to save your spot or what you were working on. Launchers. The smaller smartphone screen has a separate launcher than the larger tablet screen, and you cannot sync apps, widgets, folders, or screen layouts. This is also annoying because you have to maintain 2 launchers and layouts now. Now for the things I do care for. I love the whole foldable idea. Samsung has implemented it in the best way possible for now. I think version 2 or 3 will be almost perfect with the screen ratios and software. Durability. I've had no issue with sliding this phone in and out of my pocket and using it on the go. The screen feels good and sturdy, and I'm not really worried about breaking the device. The 2 screens. Even though I don't like the aspect ratio of the smaller smartphone screen, I like the fact that I can be using one app, and when it works like Maps, I can open the phone to tablet mode and keep working in the app like nothing has changed. Also, I can get a quick glance at my notifications on the smaller smartphone screen. Split windows. This has been an awesome experience while in tablet mode. I can have 3 apps on the screen and get stuff done. I watch videos, type out scripts, check Instagram, all at the same time. It is such a time saver. E-reader. This is so perfect to read on. I tried it out thinking, maybe the screen's going to be a little too small, but it is perfect for laying on the couch or sitting around and enjoying a good book. Last thing is professional use. I connected a keyboard and mouse and opened up Microsoft Office and was able to get a lot of work done. Also, as I mentioned before, I threw another app on the screen using split view and couldn't believe how much work I was getting done on this small tablet. In my opinion, the Samsung Galaxy Fold is not made for everyone. I think it's a working concept for what Samsung can do and what they are about to do to the smartphone industry. Would I recommend the Fold? Of course I would. But as I stated before, this is not the everyday person's phone. This is for people who want to flex on their friends and be seen and be on the bleeding edge of technology. I guarantee in a year or two, all the companies out here will have some sort of foldable, and we will have plenty to choose from that are crazy priced and some affordable. Before I go, if you found value in this video, smash the like button, leave me a comment or two, and share this video. Also, click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos I release. I appreciate it, and it really helps me in the channel out. As always, this is Jason, and I will catch you in the next one.